Welcome back to Latte Laboratory. What do we got going on today? Well, since we got the Sette in and we have been playing around with it, we realize it's a pretty fast grinder, but we don't really have a benchmark to know just how fast it is compared to, let's say, the Preciso. So we thought, let's just try it out. So the test is 226 grams to see how long it's going to take to grind that 226 grams. Both machines set at about the midpoint. Now, they're not identical, but this is just going to give us a reference because I think, and my hypothesis is, I'm going to move on to that, this bad boy here is going to do, I'm going to say it's going to do this in about a minute. And we haven't done it yet, so I don't know. This one here, I don't know, it's going to take a lot longer, 3 or 4 times longer. So let's get on to the test and see what's going to happen. All right, so we're going to start with the Sette. We've got it set up to 99 seconds. I think it's going to do it faster than that, but let's see. I'm going to push both at the same time. My trusty dusty timer here, and done. 44 seconds, and look at my poor phone. There we go. So let's do the Preciso, and unfortunately we don't have a big enough container that'll fit in there, so we're going to make a mess. What do you say? Oh, let me write that down. 44 seconds. Let's see here. Here we go. Sette. Because, you know, I won't remember. 44.22 seconds. All right, reset. And what happens when it gets right up there? The mound. Ooh, 1 minute, 41 seconds. Wow, what a mess. Good thing there's interns. I don't have any interns, sorry. I just said that. So, 1 minute, 41. That's unbelievable. The big difference. Huge difference. I will say, at the medium setting here on this, and medium over here, this is finer, this is a little coarser. So that's the results. The Sette is a lot faster. A lot faster by about a minute. Beat it by about a minute because 44 seconds versus 41. So Sette wins the race. And it's just a race. I mean, as far as time goes, we're not saying one is better than the other. We're just saying which one grinds faster. It's as simple as that. Have any tests you want us to run? Now, you know, some people are saying I shouldn't clean this lab coat. I haven't gotten it really dirty yet. So if you can think of some test I can run to maybe get a little stain or two on it, okay, that's a challenge. Comments down below. Let us know what that test would be, and subscribe so that you can watch some more of these. You'll know when they're coming out. Thanks a lot, guys.